Did you know that over 90% of people fail to grow their wealth because they chase short-term gains? It's shocking, but it's true. Many of us are caught up in the hype of fast money and flashy investments, but here's the reality. Most wealthy people didn't get there overnight. They built their fortune slowly by making smart, long-term decisions. If you're ready to start building real wealth, you need to change how you think about money. It's not about gambling on the next big trend, but about finding value where others might not see it. In this video, we'll dive into the secrets of value investing, showing you how to spot solid opportunities, minimize risk, and grow your wealth at a steady pace. Stick with me, and I promise you'll walk away with knowledge that could change your financial future. By the end, you'll know exactly how to approach investing like a pro, even if you've never bought a stock before. Let's get started. Chapter 1. The Hidden Gems. What is value investing? Value investing isn't just about finding companies on sale. It's about spotting hidden gems, businesses with solid fundamentals that others overlook or undervalue. Think of it as discovering gold that no one else sees. When you invest in these companies, you're not gambling. You're buying into a wealth-building opportunity that will pay off in the long run. And the best part? You're not chasing hype or trends. You're making calculated, informed decisions. Ready to uncover those gems? Let's dive in. Chapter 2. Stop chasing trends. Why patience pays more than quick wins. We live in a world where everyone wants to get rich fast. But here's the truth. Value investing is a slow and steady game. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. It's not about jumping on the latest trend, but about waiting for the right opportunities. Wealth isn't built overnight, it's built by being patient, letting your investments grow, and trusting the process. The magic of compounding rewards those who wait. So, while everyone else is chasing the next big thing, you'll be quietly building your wealth. Chapter 3. The margin of safety, your financial armor. One of the key principles of value investing is the margin of safety. This is like a financial armor that protects you from losing money. It means buying stocks at a price lower than their true value, giving you a buffer if things don't go as planned. Think of it as buying insurance for your investments. When you invest with a margin of safety, you're lowering your risk while increasing your chances of long-term success. If you're enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing even more tips to help you become a successful value investor. Chapter 4. Decoding financial statements. Don't let numbers scare you. You don't need to be a finance expert to understand financial statements. At first, they may look complicated, but once you break them down, they tell you everything you need to know about a company's health. Balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements are your best friends when it comes to choosing good investments. Treat them like a financial detective game, spotting the clues that reveal a company's true worth. The numbers might seem intimidating, but with the right approach, they're easier to decode than you think. Chapter 5. Emotional mastery. How to stay calm when the market freaks out. In the world of investing, emotions can be your biggest enemy. When the market drops, it's easy to panic and make rash decisions. But successful value investors know how to stay calm under pressure. The market can be like a storm, but your job is to stay grounded. It's about resisting the urge to follow the crowd and trusting that your investments will recover over time. With the right mindset, you can turn emotional reactions into opportunities for growth. Chapter 6. Your Wealth Building Toolkit. 5 tools every beginner needs. Now that you understand the basics of value investing, it's time to get your toolkit ready. Every successful investor needs the right tools to find opportunities and track their investments. I'll share 5 essential tools every beginner should use, from online stock screeners to reliable financial resources. These tools will help you build your wealth efficiently and effectively, putting you on the right path to success. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe. This journey has just begun, and I'll be here to guide you every step of the way toward becoming a savvy investor. And that's a wrap. You now have the basics to start your value investing journey. The road to wealth might be long, but with patience, strategy, and the right mindset, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching.